doctor wants to give me more injection. Yeah. Giving me shots for 1,000 rare infections. Try